Hi everyone and welcome to February's geocaching highlight reel. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try and do it every month. For those of you that don't watch my content regularly, you can just see what we do when we're out and see some of the geocaches we'll find, and I'll add some exclusive bits in as well. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this sort of stuff. And yeah, that's it everyone, enjoy. Oh.
We're very close together, these at least.
Yeah, spooky Halloween trail, number 1. You can see it, you can literally see it, can't you? I'm gonna find you, little cachey. Jasmine's gonna find you, little cachey. Jasmine has found the little cachey. Not easy find. Very easy find. I spent ages on this one, guys. I spent ages on it looking for it. Got it. Oh. That was a pain. So the coordinates for this one put us 30 foot away, and there's a lot of trees. So yeah. Jasmine, I found the geocache. It's under here. No, it's not a geocache, guys. Sorry to let you down. So we have actually found a physical geocache. She's not too far away from the church. Getting it out might be tricky though, and I didn't bring my toolkit with me. Guys, listen to this. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Weird drumming noise.
Yep, it's the fucking men coming to get this.
It's weird. Right, anyway, we found a geocache, a physical one, and I'm continuing. So that's the next geocache found, and as you can see, the last people to sign it was in June. That's how long ago it's been done. Oh, it's very brisk and very windy. Oh yes, another one done. I have found the letter spotted geocache. That is a geocache done and hidden back in place. There we go. Another one that's okay, Elmo. Well, that's an interesting cache container. Let's have it. You can sign it. Yeah. Interesting cache container. This took longer to find actually than we thought, because of the way it was hidden. Once again, it's not been found since June. We're in second person on this logbook. Yeah, so let's get zoomed in on this one. And you see the cache container, folks. Beautiful, isn't it? Lovely, that Elmo. Lovely. So thank you very much for joining us today. I'll zoom it in one more time. There you go, beautiful cache containers. So thank you very much.